Hello everyone, it's JD here from Studio 2105. Welcome back to MixStream Online and another episode of Weekly Update Wednesdays. In this video, I'm going to be announcing the winner of the mixing competition for the 2020 Direct Access 1.0 Music Production Workshop. Stay tuned, watch till the end of this video to find out who's the winner, who's going to be walking home with a brand new set of Beyerdynamic DT240 headphones. Today's video is just going to be a short one. First and foremost, I would like to take this opportunity to wish all of our friends out there, every one of you who's watching this, everyone from the MixStream community members, patrons, subscribers, clients, a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year. As you can tell, right, I'm already in the holiday mood as what I'm wearing, okay? And hope that all of you are going to spend and have a wonderful, right, year-end season with your friends, your families, and your loved ones. Right, even though 2020, right, has not been a epic year, right, I hope every one of you out there, right, is gonna have a good time, have a meaningful time, spend some time with your family, with your loved ones, okay, and appreciate and count the blessings, whatever blessings that we have. Okay, right, if you're new to this channel, by the way, right, thank you for visiting the channel. I don't want to forget as well, a big shout out, thank you to all the patrons who support the channel financially. By the way, again, don't forget, if you're new, right, do click on the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I put out a new video. I know, right, this video is a day late and $1 short. It's been incredibly busy because, you know, coming up to the year end, everyone is trying to sort of finish their work, catch up with deadlines before Christmas and New Year. People are going on leave, going on holiday. Well, at least here in Malaysia, you can only go for a holiday domestically, right? You know, within the country, you can't travel out of the country for obvious reasons because of COVID-19. That's why it was a little bit late, right? So I do apologize for that, okay? Oh, by the way, do sign up for the email list if you haven't done so. Head on down here, bit.ly/MixStream online. Okay, so sign up for the email list, right? You receive a bunch of free stuff. You get a to download my personal snare drum sample library and also my IR impulse response reverb library. Okay, if you want to support the channel, you can also consider signing up to become a patron. How do you do so? All right, you head on to this website below, www.patreon.com/studio2105. Okay, patrons get special perks and benefits for as low as $1 a month, or if you sign up to become a VIP, you even get stuff like one-on-one tutorial and mentoring sessions with me, behind the scenes content, and also discount codes, okay? Discounts that you can use towards any of the studio services here at Studio 2105, okay? What you waiting for, right? Sign up, become a patron. That would be a great Christmas present, okay? Okay, all right. So for the moment, we're waiting for, okay? I'm going to be announcing the winner of the mixing competition for this year's Direct Access 1.0 Music Production Workshop. A little background first of all before I announce who the winner is, okay? The Direct Access 1.0 Music Production Workshop, it's a workshop which I've been organizing every year for the past 2 years, and this year in 2020, well, thankfully, right, despite all the challenges, despite, you know, the lockdowns and all that, I've managed to organize and hold the 3rd year of the Direct Access Music Production Workshop this year, okay? As part of the workshop itself, right, I mean, we have classes, we have lecture sessions, right, which I conduct. You also have hands-on recording sessions, right, where we get to actually watch how I produce, how I record and mix a song from the ground up. all the way to the finished product. I've gotten good response and I've got a demand for it, that even so much so my business manager was asking me, could I do one in like November, you know, which was a month ago. It's like, whoa, that's way too soon. Okay, so hopefully maybe in the middle of 2021 I'll be having the next one, which will be the fourth one. Okay, stay tuned. All right, once plans are underway, I'll definitely announce it. So as part of the entire workshop, what the students also get, right, is they get to take the multi-tracks of the project back home. So they get the multi-tracks back to mix on their own, mix at home. So as this is a competition which I run for the students just to get them motivated so that they can, you know, put into practice and apply whatever they've learned, okay, whatever skills that they've applied. I gave them some time, a little bit of time. In fact, I gave them a little bit of extra time as well to get the mixes done. So when they send the mixes to me in, right, myself and my business manager, Colin, we sit down, we listen, and we evaluate, and right, we pick the winner. All right. So if there's a winner, there must be a prize, right? And you must be wondering. So the prize here, right, is this. This is the Bayer Dynamic DT240 Pro. Okay, so this is a pair of headphones, all right, and want to say a big thank you to Texel Global, all right, for kindly sponsoring the prizes. They've been very, very supportive as well, not only of the music workshops, but they're very supportive of my other activities as well in the past. Okay, so do check it out. Right, so I wonder who's gonna win. Okay, you'll find out in a short moment. Besides the Bayer Dynamic DT240 Pro headphones, okay, this is gonna go to the first prize winner, but the second prize winner, all right, is also gonna walk away with something as well. Okay, not gonna go home empty-handed. For the second prize, right, for first runner-up, whichever you want to refer it to, I'm going to be giving them a copy of this book. This is MixStream's The Musician's Survival Guide to a Killer Record. Right. So this was MixStream's most recent book, which he wrote and he published last year. Right. MixStream is a fantastic author. Right. He's a very, very big and an influential author. Right, so some of the books I definitely recommend you to check out. All right, for example, the Zen series, the Zen and the Art of Mixing, Zen and the Art of Recording, Zen and the Art of Producing, and so many other books as well. Okay, right, so he's a wonderful, fantastic producer and engineer. Okay, all right, he goes under the nickname MixerMan, but he's written a lot of other fantastic books as well. Right, so these are, right, he is definitely my favorite audio and music related author out there, and I highly recommend that you get this book. So all right, I'm also going to be giving away one of these to one of the students as well. So right, without further ado, okay, drum roll. Okay, the winner of the Direct Access 1.0 Music Production Workshop Mixing Competition. Phew, that's like a really, really long, right, that's really a mouthful there. Okay, so the winner, the best mix, right, after careful deliberation and listening as well, the best mix goes to Mr. Hazlan Hazer. Okay, right, congratulations Hazlan. Okay, you have just won yourself the Bayer Dynamic DT240 Pro headphones. Okay, retail value, this is about 600 ringgit or something like that. So right, this is gonna make a very, very nice Christmas present, and hopefully you will enjoy these headphones. Okay, right, I like to make a special mention as well. Hazlan, right, is all the way from Kedah up north, and during the entire duration of the workshop, which was 6 weeks from September to mid of October, he made the effort of traveling down all the way from Kedah down to here in KL. We're talking about at least 5 to 6 hours drive one way every week just to attend the workshop. So, right, you know, so that is really, really a commitment and dedication there. So, you know, a really, really big shout out and really hats off to Hazlan. Okay, right? So do check it out, right? Hazlan also is a engineer and producer, and he has his studio all the way up in Sungai Petani in Kedah as well. So not only that, he has also sent me stuff to mix. One of the songs that he recorded and was the song Kembalikan, right, by 217. Yes, if my memory serves me correct. Okay, so which I also featured on an episode of MixStream. So do go and check it out. That's right, Hazlan's work. Okay, his recording. So I mixed the track and it was featured on this episode of MixStream up there. Go and click on it and check it out right after this video. Okay, now as I said, second prize winner is also going to go home with this. I'm going to be sending you this book. Okay, and right, the winner of this book, the second prize, is going to Ben. Okay, right. So, all right, Ben. If I'm not mistaken, Ben, you are a student, right, at UCSI. So hopefully this book, correct, is gonna serve you really, really well. This is going to be. It's essentially, as it says, it's a survival guide. All right. I do recommend, right, that if you are a musician or a music student, for those of you who are not necessarily having a audio background, you know, you're not coming from an audio school, so this book is really great because, you know, it tackles a lot of the questions related to modern music production in this day and age, right, in the 21st century, without going too much into the technical nitty-gritty, right? So, you know, it tends to avoid a lot of the super technical jargon and all that. So it's all the information that you need, right, in order to, as the title says, make a killer record. Okay, well, so there we go. All right, congratulations to, right, both Hazlan and Ben, okay, winners of these two prizes. I hope that you guys will enjoy your prizes, and I'll be sending them off to you soon, right? And do expect something to arrive in your mailbox really soon, okay? And for those of you, all right, who are interested to know a little bit more about this Direct Access 1.0 music production workshop, by the way, we've actually shot and recorded all the footage from the workshop, and we put it up on the videos on this YouTube channel itself, okay? So again, once again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please go and subscribe, right? Otherwise, you will totally miss out on all the videos and all the content that I put out, okay? Don't forget, click on the notification bell as well, okay? So all of the latest Direct Access Music 1.0 music production workshop videos are all gonna be up on YouTube, right? It's all up there. It's also all playlisted as well on my channel page, okay? So do check it out. Well, all right, so as I said, hopefully this was a short one. I don't know, all right? Later on when I sit down and edit this video, then I only know whether it's a short one or not lah, okay? All right, so by the way, there will be no mixed stream this Friday because Friday itself is Christmas, right? And so I'm gonna be having some family plans. Don't really know, right? I'm just gonna be spending time with my mom, okay, at home. On Friday, we would just have a simple Christmas dinner at home, okay? I don't know what we're gonna do yet. We don't really have any fixed plans. Maybe we'll just order out or something like that, okay? Because obviously, right, under RMCO and you know, I'm sure if you're watching this under lockdown or wherever you are, okay, it's probably not the most wisest and not the most prudent action if we were to go out lah. So we're gonna be eating at home, okay? Well, that pretty much brings this video to a close. That's pretty much all I want to share with you. Next week, all right, for next week's episode, I'll do maybe like a yearly roundup, wrap-up kind of a thing, right? So just maybe a reflection back into what 2020 was. And hopefully I'll be able to do it on time on Wednesday as well, okay? So by the way, okay, for those of you who are celebrating Christmas, once again, right, a wonderful, blessed Christmas to you, and to everyone else, happy holidays and happy new year. Do continue to stay safe, all right? Take care again, once again, I repeat all the time, right? Take care of your personal hygiene, wash your hands always, wear your face mask, practice your social distancing, and take good care of yourselves, all right? Again, if you haven't, right, do click on the subscribe button, be a subscriber. That would be really awesome. That would really make my day. Okay, don't forget, consider also signing up to become a patron. Okay, once again, website's down here below, www.patreon.com/studio2105. I would really appreciate. Okay, so I'll see you again real soon. I hope you found this video useful, enjoyable, and informative. I hope you found all the content I've been putting out, right, this year. If it's not entertaining, at least you're right, useful, right, in one way or another, okay, right. So do leave a like, do share, right, and see you again in the next video real soon. Take care. Bye.